Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to fix dry and damaged hair. A few of you guys may know that maybe 3-4 months back I went silver grey in my hair for the second time. The first time I did it, my hair was absolutely fine. The second time I did it, it ruined my hair. And now I'm living with dry, coloured over hair. So my hair is still bleached under here, but it's got black over it. And a lot of you guys have been asking why I haven't done any like hair tutorials recently, and that's because I am in no position at the moment to tell you guys what you should be doing with your hair because of how dry my hair is. But today I thought I'd share with you guys like the knowledge that I've gained from the salon I work at about how to really fix dry hair. The truth is, your hair is dead. Once you've damaged it, you can't fix it because it's not a living organism, it can't heal. What you can do is give the appearance of fresher, nicer hair. So yes, I'm going to show you what I'm doing to protect my hair and make it look nicer as there is no way of healing it. First of all, the first thing you absolutely must do is get a haircut. This is one thing I dreaded because I had been growing my hair for such a long time and they were like to me, we need to cut about this much off. That's the length of my forehead. And I was devastated, but you have to do it. If you want your hair to grow out better, you have to cut your hair. Otherwise that damage is just gonna make its way further and further up your hair, if that makes sense, which is why it's important to cut out split ends as well. Next up, you should be protecting your hair that's in good condition, as well as prevent the hair that's already damaged from being damaged further by using a heat protector. One of my favorites is the Davines Blow Dry Primer because of its anti-humidity properties as well. So not only does this protect your hair from heat damage, but also stops your hair having little frizzy bits coming off it, which is what dry and damaged hair tends to have. So yes, heat protection is a massive deal. One thing you can do is temporarily add strength to damaged hair by giving it a bit of protein, a bit of a protein boost, as well as a bit of a moisture boost. So there are certain ways that I like to do this. One way is the Olaplex No3. Olaplex is something that I have in my hair already because I had it in the bleaching of my hair. It kind of helps strengthen the hair while it's going through the bleaching process. Olaplex isn't a protein treatment, but it kind of mimics that in the sense that it kind of how to say, bonds your hair back together, giving it the strength that kind of like a protein-based treatment would. However, treatments like this, including protein treatments and shampoos, can be incredibly drying on your hair. Things like Brazilian shampoos as well, the Brazilian blowout shampoos. So it's important that you don't use it too often. It's there to strengthen, not add moisture back into your hair. So it's not gonna make your dry or brittle hair look softer or feel softer. Does that make sense? It's just there to strengthen and stop it breaking any further. But one thing you can do is temporarily add moisture to your hair. One of my favorite things to do is this Beauty Organic Argan Oil. I've talked about this loads before and I would use this in my hair even before I destroyed it with bleach. So yes, natural and organic oils and other treatments can temporarily smooth and like seal down the cuticles of the hair. Instead of like being like that, it's gonna make your hair like that, making it look smoother. So yeah, you can apply this every night. It's natural. You're not gonna do your hair any harm if you moisturize it too much, basically. But argan oil is one of the best ways to go for this, as well as Shea Butter. Shea Butter, look how gross this looks. But I bought this for £2 on Amazon from a reputable, oh my god, from a good seller. Butters and oils are good because they make a protective layer without trapping your hair. So even though our hair isn't live, I use the term breathe. It's like a breathable layer. So yeah, it's good and light and nice and not too heavy and greasy is what I'm trying to say. The other one, of course, is the Law Originals that I spoke to you guys many times before. What I love about this one is you apply it onto dry hair and then you can leave it in for like the whole day, then wash it off when you shower or whenever you shower. Shampoo and condition with that. You see immediate results with this as well. It gives you smoother looking hair straight away. It feels better. It's good at protecting your hair as well in the long run from UV rays, environmental damages, pollution, heat, all that kind of stuff. And it does protect your color as well. So because my hair is colored, because it's colored over the bleach, this makes my color go a long way. So yeah, there we have it. There is how I'm treating my dry, color damaged hair. I've got like that much is like my natural color. So then I've got like that much bleach that I should have just cut out. But yeah, these are important steps. I think even if your hair isn't colored and just dry, dry isn't, how do I explain this? Dry isn't a hair type, it's a form of damage. So your hair doesn't grow out dry. So you really need to look at your hair and think about the steps that you're taking to protect it. So whether it's damage from natural heat or styling tools, making you're using good protection in pre-stylers and styling products. But yeah, any questions, leave them down below as always. That is it from me now, guys. I will see you next time.